You feel say guys that they intimidated by successful women?
Any guy that is intimidated by a successful woman is a fool.
I second that.
Come on, you don't want a woman to date you because of money, and this woman have money, you are still...
Okay, make I tell you a story based on that. Now, we get a guest a couple of weeks ago. We tell us that she been there in a relationship, and every time she they go visit the guy, she they take Uber. And then it gets to a particular point, the guy tell her, say, you know what, I don't feel so me and you fit there together because you two, they waste money. Now, this is not her own money where she they use because she likes comfort. But now the man, they look and say, you are wasteful. Sometimes you need to save money to enter bus. And she they tell her, say, but I never ask you for money. Now, my own money. I know if you use my money, do what I want.
What happened when she has her own car? Is the guy still going to complain?
Well,
such guys are not... They are not guys yet. They are boys.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.